Turn me off. Turn me off. Turn me off.
No.
This is what I'm saying. Look.
Yeah, I'm not taking your face. Come on, darling. Next step.
You say in the coffee, but it's not the coffee. It have to be this first.
Okay. How many spoon? I think one spoon.
Max, so.
1 spoon. This one. Barista. Here we go,
2.
darling. No.
Because it's double this.
No. You want double?
It is double.
Yeah, but you want double. I don't want double, only single.
So we need to change that.
So that one you need to press. Proper barista. Next. Put the cup. That's yours.
That's what I'm saying. Look, it's too big.
Is it? Yeah, it will fit. But we need to buy espresso cup. Espresso glass. His dream came true to have a proper coffee machine. And now he bought a proper coffee machine so he can make me a coffee every day. I don't need to get up anymore to make a coffee. He will get up and do it himself because this is his coffee machine. Next, darling. Oh. Where's the coffee? Is it coming out? Voila! Wow! Do you want, if you want to make it lighter, you can just carry on doing it, or it will stop itself. I think it will stop itself.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. That is very strong, darling.
But I'm gonna put milk.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, do the milk then.
Yeah, no, I need to run this one to make sure this.
It's working, darling.
No, I need the steam like this. That's it. It might be like running some water.
Okay, after that. And then you have to put the milk. You have to froth the milk.
Yeah.
Do you need to press something if you froth it?
No.
Okay. Is that the one that you pressed earlier?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, wow. Baby, it says don't do it too like that. Don't do.
Oh my God, my hand!